Welcome. Discover legitimate work from home jobs, side hustles, and online earning opportunities. Subscribe and start earning from home.
Hi guys, for today's video ay may share ako sa inyo na kung gusto nyong makakuha ng TEFL is ito yung ma-recommend ko sa inyo na madali lang na makakuha ng TEFL. So dito ay magte-take ka lang ng test nila tapos agad-agad mo nang makukuha yung TEFL mo. So ito ang teacher record. At kung naghahanap ka rin ng trabaho is dito mo rin makikita yung mostly ESL job na marami ditong mga available guys. So let's click um, how to get a certificate. So you have to click this certificate. So mamimili ka lang dito guys in between TFL or TRA. You can register or sign in. Click po to. And then you can find a job here. So marami din silang job dito, and you can all positions, or you can uh, click teach online or teach abroad. So if you are if you have a master degree or bachelor degree or college, so you can click teaching a language, English, German, hala, meron din sila dito, Russian, Portuguese, so anything, Burmese, Vietnamese. Then, teaching a subject, so meron din sila. So, walang problema dito, guys. Makikita mo lahat dito, guys, kung anong mga available job na hiring. So, ito, high booking rate online teaching jobs. Ito rin, online English teacher. Hiring passionate native English teacher, South Africa, English tutor, online English teacher or Filipino teacher, high booking. So, English tutor. So, mag-rate lang naman dito ng $3.30. Yung iba is malalaki yung rate, like 8.5 to 4.5 US dollar. And one-on-one online teacher, online English teacher wanted, online teacher for adult kids. So, meron siyang specific na certificate na kailangan. So, teach English online. Ano to? Mostly kasi dito nagka-hire is Chinese. Yes. But yung sahod is dollar siya. Naka-dollar na siya. So, online English teaching, teacher native, King's English, English teacher, Sunflower Blossom International. So, madami talaga dito guys na hiring about online English teacher. So, dito is online English teacher. Yung kailangan nila is Filipino teacher. Napaka-advantage talaga ng isang Pilipino is halos lahat yung is kailangan nila from uh, Filipino teacher. So, ito, online English teacher, siguro USA, UK, Canada, Australia, ito siguro yung mga estudyante na tuturuan mo or galing sa country na to, galing sa mga lugar na to. So, ito pala, nandito, United Kingdom, United States, Australia, Canada, preferred. So, dapat yung mga teacher is galing sa mga lugar na to. And English tutor, Mandarly. Ang dami-dami pala ditong mga hiring guys. At saka malalaki din yung mga sahod So, for me lang, marirecommend ko tong teacher's record kasi lalo na sa mga wala pang mga certificate dyan na gustong magturo. So, hindi naman sila nagre-required guys na college graduate ka talaga kasi may mga ESL naman na okay lang na high school ka pero of course marunong kang fluent ka sa English. Yun lang. And you can find job now, search na sa Google Chrome, teacher's record. So, yun lang. I hope na you can, ano ba yan? Subscribe my channel for more video and learning about work from home. So, see you on my next video and more work from home job na ating isi-share sa aking channel. So, thank you guys!